I'm a single parent of 4 wonderful children. I have 2 boys and 2 girls. My son Carl was murdered March 28, 2003. Carl was an overachiever, and he brought his GPA up to 4.0 in school. He was a young man that was very involved in sports. He loved basketball with a passion. I think he could have been great making 39 points by himself in a game, but someone robbed him of his life and his dream. Someone either rode by or walked up, I guess it possibly was a drive-by, and shot him. Few know the pain and the darkness of depression and suicidal thoughts as I do. I felt like I was suffering alone and no one knew. I'm crying out and no one could hear my cry.
Well, my name is Janis Koch. Came to Los Angeles a couple months ago and married my wonderful husband here, Pasha Khan. I have very severe and aggressive rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia, and the pain has just been so unbearable for me.
I was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes 2 years ago. And we found some other issues, bursitis in my hip, which of course was painful, and also high blood pressure.
When you all of a sudden you lose your job and you lose your insurance, you know, you're like, wow, especially when you have a chronic medical condition like mine.
Yeah, my name is Gloria Yalla, and I'm being a patient for UMMA for 15 years. Before I started coming to the clinic, I was about 265 pounds. I have trouble walking. I used to have my cane with me every time I go anywhere. My doctors told me that I have diabetic, I have a bad cholesterol, and I have blood pressure, everything on me. That scared me. I cried that day, and I was thinking about what to do, and you know, it was hard in the beginning, but now on, I'm a new person because I find out the help I need. They help me a lot.
The depression has been something that I've been battling with for a long, long time. And the doctor at UMMA recognized that, and he gave me some medication, and then consequently I was able to get in with this center. So through UMMA, I've been receiving mental health services and been able to try to recover from my loss. The therapy sessions are very, very good for me. It means a lot to me to be able to talk about the everyday occurrences that happen in my life. I need to talk to someone. I have so many thoughts rumbling and tumbling in my mind, and so many things that I want to say, that I appreciate being able to talk to the counselors here. It's helped me out tremendously. With all the support, I'm happy to say that I'm now able to talk about my son's murder without breaking down and crying.
We turned to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for our medical conditions, and our prayers were answered.
UMMA has not only aided us in our health, but they have also removed the financial burden that was actually stopping us from seeking the treatment that we needed. Currently, I'm seeing my husband's doctor, Dr. Khan. He's been just wonderful.
Excellent.
To control my arthritis, I've been receiving chemotherapy, which suppresses my immune system. Although it's not going to completely eradicate it, it does enable me to be able to have less pain, and I'm able to function better.
Last Ramadan, I fasted the first 3 days and I fell ill. I begged Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all year long, please let me fast like the others. The most beautiful thing happened, besides marrying my wife. Allah allowed me to fast all 30 days with no complications, nothing. Glucose level down, blood pressure down. Of course, I got to go see Dr. Khan, and he was amazed. I lost a lot of weight.
I'm so proud of him, you know, and I tell him that. And so
Yes,
our goal is to get even in better shape every day and get healthier, and you know, don't take anything for granted.
I heard about nutrition classes, exercise classes that UMMA was providing. They told me exercise, eat healthy, and eat a lot of vegetables, and avoid to eat bad things. And every time I go, I write it down, what is good for you, and depends what you have, cholesterol, lower my cholesterol. And everything is being healing so good since I've been in the clinic, and what they tell me to do, I've been doing it. I grow my own garden and I make juice for me and for everybody. That motivates me to help people, to doing juices for people, trying to heal people. Because that helped me, I'm trying to share with others. Now I'm much healthier and I feel better myself, thanks God. I have very low cholesterol, very low blood pressure. My diabetes result is back to normal. And I lose a lot of weight, about 100 pounds, with the exercise they recommend me to do every day. I was forcing my body on the beginning, but little by little, now I can walk fast and I can run, and I don't use the cane anymore. And I'm so proud of the clinic. It's been so good to me. Everybody is so nice. They give you love when you get to the clinic, and I recommend it to people who need it, really need help, like me.
UMMA and this Weber Center has been the ground that I now stand on, so that I'm not ready to go jump off the bridge tonight because there's no reason to be here. I'm so glad that I have the services to keep me going, to keep me strong, and I do appreciate what they've done for me.
On behalf of myself and my husband, Pasha Khan, we thank you, UMMA, for all you have done for us.
Thank you.
I can say, but they helped me a lot. They have the support because a lot of people need help. Yeah. I'm so happy to be like that. I feel healthy.